Hi, good morning. Look at the present problem. This is from exercise 11.1. Calculate the 3 years moving averages of the following data. So year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and value 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 13. First we will take first column year and next column value. Okay, next column what should we write? 3 year moving, 3 years moving. So look at the example values if you have any doubts. So how they created 3 years total. Okay, similarly, you should write 3 years moving total. And next column, since it is odd number, 3 year, right? 3 means odd number. So we have only 4 columns. For odd number of moving averages, we only have 4 columns. So 3 year, next column will be 3 years moving average. Okay. So create a table. Okay. First for 1, value is 2. And next 2, value is 4. Next for 3, value is 5. Okay. For these 3 numbers, moving total value will be, because he said 3 years moving average. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. And for getting average, we should divide by 3. So 11 by 3. 11 by 3 means how much? 3 threes are 9. So 2 remainder. 2 is smaller than 3. So we will make decimal dot. So 20 now. So 20 means 6 threes are 18 and 6 6. Only 2 decimals is enough. Okay. This average to be taken for 2. This average, because it is very straight to this number. So for 2, we should consider this 3.66 value. 4, okay, 4 to be considered and also 3.66 to be considered. So in the examination also, you should move like this only. Don't create first values and don't finish the first column and second column. Okay. So smoothly finish each and every column step by step. Okay. So 1 completed, 2 completed, 3 and next 4. So for 4, it will be 7. So now consider, so cancel this 2 because we got first moving average, cancel first value. So I just rounded that. Next 3 will be considered. Next 3 values will be 4, 5, 7 to be considered. And sum of 4, 5, 7 is how much? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. And again, for getting average, we should divide by 1 by, divide by 3. Of course, we should multiply with 1 by 3. So that means 16 upon 3. So 5 threes are 15. 1 left. So 3, again 1 left. 3, 3. Okay, 4 is also completed. Next 5. For 5, it is 8. Now, for after getting second moving average, so round the value. And then next 3 will be considered for getting sum. 5, 7 and 8. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. and again multiply with 1 by 3. That means 20 by 3. 6 3s are 18. 2 left. 2 means again 6 and 6. After getting third value, round the third. After getting third average, moving average, round the third value from the top. Okay. Follow these steps carefully. So 5 completed. Next 6. 6 value will be 10. Don't get confused. Okay. So how I am, look at the procedure, how I am doing. The same will be presented by you. So next, so 5 cancel, no? So 7, 8, 9, these 3 values to be considered for getting next moving total. 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15 and plus 10, 25. And multiply by 1 by 3. So it will be 25 by 3. 8 3s are 24. 1, 3, 3. So after getting fourth value, round the fourth number. Next last value 7. Next 3 will be considered. We should be considered for getting moving sum. 10 plus 13, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. Divided by 1 by 3. So 31 by 3. So 10.33. So after getting all values, so this is finalize the table. Use scale and pencil for this. Values should be, you can use for pen. Okay, this is the table. What he said, calculate 3 years moving average for the following data. He just said only, he's not asking to draw the graph and everything. Okay, we will check in examples what he said and how the presentation is. Consider the following data, calculate the suitable moving average and show the graph. So look at this, he said show the graph against the original data. So he mentioned to draw the graph. Okay, but here what we are doing, so he just said only table data he needs, but we make one more step to draw the graph also, provide the graph also. Okay, if he saying or not saying whatever, so please draw the graph, because CBSE paper sometimes question will be is not mentioning anywhere draw the graph, but in evaluation paper they are giving graph. If student will not make any graph, they will cut the marks. For graph, they are providing 2 to 3 marks. So I suggest whatever he said or not mentioning anything for regarding on graph, please draw the graph also for the table. So it's very easy, very simple only. So take x-axis and y-axis together. Okay, you can take 2 values together like that. That's better. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's better. Okay. So you can choose as your wish. Huh? No problem. For 1, it is 2. For 1, it is 2. And next for 2, it is 4. Smoothly with pencil only, draw the bold line. Draw the bold line. Okay. Next 3, 5. 5 will be between 5 and 6. Join the lines. So how I am doing? Perform the same. 4, 7. 4, 7. 7 here. 4, 7. And next 5, 8. 5, 8. And 6, 10. 6, 10. And 7, 13. Okay. This is original data. So make a bold line, say original data. Okay. And x-axis year and y values, write down value. Y-axis value. Next, look at the averages for 2. Okay. X value 2 and y value should be 3.66. X value 2, 3.66. Somewhere here. Okay. Use different color for this. Different color. Okay. And I suggest for original data, use black pen. And for moving average data, use pencil. Okay. And don't use other colors. Next, for 3, 5.33. For 3, 5.33. So what is this dot value? It's 5.33. So more than a little bit. Join with the dots like this. Okay. Look at 4. 4, it is 7 and 6 points. It's a down value, right? It is 7. For 4, it is 7 and average value will be a little bit downside. 6.66. For 5, it is 8 and average value will be 8.33. 8.33. Okay. So compare both values. 6, it is 10, but it is 10.33. Little bit more than that. So make a dotted line and say it is moving average. So here it completes the graph, a complete question. Hope you understood this.